Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we will see how to use logical conditions in Clappia apps, specifically the AND condition. In the previous video, I have shown how to use the if condition as well as nested if conditions in your Clappia apps. Just like spreadsheet, you can use these formulas to perform various automations in your Clappia apps. You can use it to display fields or sections based on certain conditions, or have calculations, or even use it in workflows. I'll take a simple example to show you how the AND function works. This is the same app I've used in the previous video. It is a basic app for capturing customer information and the total sales made. Now let's say there is no shipping involved and the payment method is by card. Then I would like to give an additional 5% discount from the amount. To do that, I'll go to Design app. You can see all the earlier fields. I'll add a field for the calculations and logic block. I'll change the label, and under the formula, I can give the AND condition. So I can type in AND @shipping equals to no. Keep in mind the uppercase and lowercase letters. And payment method equals to card. Now if I want to give an additional 5% discount, I'll have to give an if condition as well. So if this function is true, then give a discount of 5%, which will be amount into 95 by 100, else just display the amount. Let's check this out. In App Home, if the shipping is selected as no and the payment method is selected as card, and I'll give in some amount, let's say 5,000, then I get a discount of 5%. If I change the shipping method, there is no discount. Similarly, you can also implement display conditions using the AND function. So let's say for this field, if the final discount is the same as the amount, then it should not appear. So I'll go to the advanced section, and under display this field if, I'll type in AND @shipping equals to no and @payment method equals to card. So this means that if the shipping is selected as no and if payment is selected as card together, then this field will be displayed. I'll save this, go to App Home, give in an amount, shipping is no, payment is card, the discount is shown. Now if I change the shipping, that field disappears. So this way you can implement AND functions and combine it with other functions like if, or, etc. If you have any query on how to implement this condition in your Clappia apps or on any other feature, you can always request support by clicking on the button over here, or you can email us directly to support@clappia.com and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.